What is up guys, it's Alex here. I hope you're ready for the ongoing token sale taking place on the Maiar Launchpad right now. As I also mentioned in my previous video about Itheum, the ticket sale just went live. The KYC submission is over and the Egld snapshot was taken today to determine the amount of Egld staked in your wallet that qualifies you for a tier of participation. If you don't know what Itheum is or want to find more about the usage and importance of the user's data in the metaverse, I explain everything in this video. So, starting from today, 26th March, 3 PM UTC, we are able to buy the tickets in a no-loss lottery on the Maiar Launchpad for a chance to win Itheum tokens at the listing price of $0.04 per token. There is only a 24 hours window when we can take action, so let's find out how to purchase these tickets. First of all, you should already know that in order to be qualified for the token sale, you had to have the KYC verification completed and validated. Also have Egld staked in your web wallet or Maiar wallet to be assigned a tier of participation, as well as have Egld unstaked to actually buy the tickets with. Now, I assume you already know your position, know how many tickets you can get, and also have the Egld prepared to buy them. So let's do that. Once in the Maiar Launchpad, you can notice that the timer section changed, and now you can click here to participate. This is also where you can see how many tickets you have got. Make sure you carefully read and acknowledge the terms and conditions of the sale. After you are sure you want to continue, tick in all the corresponding boxes. You will have to sign up again for the transaction and wait for processing. I have already 5 Egld available in my wallet that are enough to buy the 4 tickets I am eligible for. To calculate how much Egld you need to buy the tickets you are eligible for, it's really simple. All you have to do is divide the value of the tickets you want to purchase based on your tier to the price of Egld that was announced as a constant for this sale, which is roughly $188 per Egld, or 1.07 Egld per ticket. In my case, I can purchase 4 tickets, so I will divide $800 to 188, and now I know that I need 4.25 Egld to buy the 4 tickets. Once you hit the button, you are basically all set up for the lottery draw on 28th. One last important thing to remember is that either if you win or not with any of your tickets, you will need to manually claim back your Egld or the won Itheum tokens after the lottery draw on 28th March. So that will make it for this video, but stay tuned since the official token listing will happen on the Maiar exchange. The exact date will be announced shortly after this token sale ends, and I will release a video to show you exactly how to buy Itheum tokens from there and participate in Elrond's meta staking and meta bonding programs to earn rewards for holding. Thank you for watching. If you found the video useful, please consider sharing it and subscribe to stay up to date with some of the best and most revolutionary projects and updates out there. Wish you all good luck to the lottery and see you soon.